Hello, my name is Afaq Shah and I struggled with alopecia areata for a while. I had developed large patches and had various multiple treatments and consulting with multiple doctors, but unfortunately nothing seems to work. Then I heard about Dr. Hussain and decided to go for a consultation with him. He carefully assessed my condition and advised me the possible treatments for me. Under his supervision, we started my treatments, and within a few months, it seems a remarkable improvement. I'm genuinely satisfied with the results, and now I'm very much confident while going out without any stress or without any. I'm not conscious anymore about my patches or my hair or my physical appearance. So I genuinely recommend Dr. Hussain and MyHairClinic to anyone who is suffering from hair loss or alopecia or any hair condition. Believe me, you are in expert hands.